Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. I'm Ed and today I'll be talking to you about the Segura Horson glove. So today we're going to talk to you about the Segura Horson glove. So the Horson comes in 4 different styles, 2 for men, 2 for ladies. You've got this black glove for men with a red palm. You've also got the brown one here with a tan palm. Ladies, you've got the brown with the tan as well, and then you've got the red with the red palm as well for ladies. So you've got 4 colourways, 2 for men's, 2 for ladies. Beautiful glove, absolutely stunning. I'll talk about this black one here. If you're running up the back of the glove, you've got some reflective panelling on the cuff here just for a bit of extra safety. Perforations, of course, so it's going to let a load of airflow into this as well. Pure summer glove, not waterproof as you expect for this type of product. Coming up, you've got knuckle reinforcements perforated as well, just getting a bit more airflow, beautiful design. Coming up the fingers, you've got this piping up the fingers, which again just adds that sort of 70s hit to it. Really good look from the older days, but looks fantastic now, really modern, really on point. Between the fingers, you've got a soft shell material, a bit of extra dexterity on the fingers when you're putting your clutch in your brake lever, using your throttle, all that side of things, just to reduce the fatigue on the hand when you're riding a bike through towns, places like that. If I spin it around, you've got this beautiful red detailing on the palm. It just adds that little shine of something a bit different from this product. So you're known for being different, innovative, out there, and this is just adding a bit of extra to the product. Leather palm, that's where you're going to crash, so if you do fall down, you're probably going to put your hand down like this. You've got the leather protection on the palm, and then you've got the closure around here on the wrist. So you've got a great product, beautifully made. Men's and ladies the same. Obviously the ladies can have a different ratio between palm and finger size, so it fits the lady's hand better. It also comes in smaller sizes. Men's is the classic men's shape. Extremely comfortable glove. So that's the Segura Horson glove. Comes to as one of my favourite gloves in the range. If you want to go to bikerheadz.co.uk, you can check out the whole range. You can download our new catalogue right here, or you can pick one up from your local dealer free of charge. If you want to like and subscribe below, that would be great.